Hello students, welcome back to my biology online class. In my previous class, I have discussed with you about secondary messenger IP3 DAG. You have already known that to work properly, IP3 release calcium ion form endoplasmic reticulum. To do this, it binds with the receptor to open ion channel, specifically ligand gated calcium ion channel. Calcium is released, calcium level is increased inside cytosol and the work is going on. Okay, previously we have this knowledge about calcium and now concentrate about calcium calmodulin complex. So what is calcium and how it works with calmodulin and what is calmodulin? Many of the effects of calcium ion are mediated by the protein calmodulin. So calmodulin is a protein which helps to work calcium ion. Calmodulin is activated by calcium binding when the concentration of cytosolic calcium level increases. Calcium calmodulin then binds with variety of target proteins. Binds to target protein, and among this target protein, obviously one is protein kinase, the most common. Calcium activates this regulatory protein. Calcium activates this regulatory protein calmodulin, and this stimulates many enzyme and transporters. Now have a look what is calmodulin and some of its details. What is calmodulin? Calmodulin is a protein. Specifically, it is a 17 kilodalton protein. This is small in size, highly conserved, obviously, highly conserved calcium binding cytosolic acidic protein. So, calmodulin is highly conserved calcium binding and it present in cytosol and its nature is it's acidic in nature, acidic protein. It's found in all eukaryotic cell. It binds up to 4 calcium ions. It binds up to 4 calcium ions maximum. Important intracellular receptor for regulating calcium signal. Calcium ion binds to calmodulin in a cooperative fashion. Okay, so these are some important points. When there is a small or minute change in the level of cytosolic calcium ion, it leads to a major large change in the level of active calmodulin. A slight change in the cytosolic calcium level, it leads to a large change of level of active calmodulin. This point, as it binds calcium, when calcium binds with calmodulin, calmodulin binds with calcium, then what happens? Calmodulin undergoes conformational changes. Very important. Conformational changes after bind with calcium ion. Very important point, and this indicates how much specificity are there, and it also increases the affinity for target protein, and it acts both directly or indirectly through interaction with key target enzyme, and how it acts indirectly via specific kinase. Calmodulin participates in the regulation of several biological processes including energy and biosynthetic metabolism, cell motility, point number 2, point number 3, exocytosis, cytoskeletal assembly, and point number 5, intracellular modulation of both CAMP and calcium concentration. So this is in a nutshell calcium calmodulin complex.